Telescopes for beginners represent a critical first step into observational astronomy. A solid starter instrument can ignite a lifelong interest by delivering crisp lunar details, pleasing planetary views, and a gateway to fainter deep sky targets as skills grow. In this review, I test and compare 5 70 to 80 millimeter aperture refractors.
List number 1. Gskyer telescope. This premium option Gskyer model features a 70mm aperture and a 400mm focal length f/5.7, with fully coated optics and an AZ-style alt-azimuth mount. It ships with 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, a 5x24 finder, a smartphone adapter, and a wireless remote, plus an adjustable aluminum tripod and a carry bag. The kit is designed for portability and beginner-friendly operation, with a strong emphasis on imaging capability via smartphone integration. Performance-wise, the 70mm aperture yields bright enough views of the moon and bright planets, while the 3x Barlow expands potential magnification, though the highest usable magnification will still be constrained by the 400mm focal length and atmospheric conditions. The inclusion of a reflex finder and a wireless remote simplifies object acquisition and image capture, making it suitable for family stargazing and introductory astrophotography. Consider its weight, about 5.7 pounds, and the stability of the aluminum tripod when fully extended, as longer sessions may benefit from a sturdier setup or additional counterweights.
List number 2. Telescope for adults. Hexium's AZ800-600 uses an 80mm aperture with a 600mm focal length at f7.5 and an easy-to-use alt-azimuth mount. It includes 2 eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, a 3x Barlow, a 5x24 finder, a smartphone adapter, a wireless remote, and a carrying bag. The kit emphasizes easy setup and portability, with no tools assembly and a focus on crisp optics via fully multi-coated coatings. Performance-wise, the 80mm aperture allows more light collection than smaller models, improving lunar and planetary contrast and enabling brighter views of larger clusters and some brighter DSOs under dark skies. The longer focal length helps with higher magnification options when combined with the Barlow and eyepieces, though image stability hinges on tripod rigidity. The no-tool setup is a clear user experience win for beginners, while lifetime maintenance adds long-term value. Weight around 6.2 pounds keeps it portable, but buyers should assess whether the included tripod offers adequate stiffness at maximum altitude.
List number 3. Telescope for adults. Toyer B offers a 70mm aperture refractor with a compact 300mm focal length f/4.3, 15x150 magnification range via 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow, plus a smartphone adapter and wireless remote. It targets portability and value, with an emphasis on quick setup and kid-friendly usability. The kit is compact enough to be used as a travel scope for family outings. Performance-wise, the shorter focal length enables larger image scales at lower magnifications, improving initial lunar and planet views for beginners. However, the f/4.3 implies a wider field, which helps find objects quickly but can introduce more optical aberrations at higher magnifications if the optics or mount aren't perfectly aligned. The included wireless remote is convenient for capturing phone images without touch-induced shake, but expect the higher-end magnifications to require steady hands or a steadier mount for sharp targets.
List number 4. Telescope. Yynnx's 70mm 400mm refractor emphasizes improved optics with FMC coatings and a robust accessory kit that includes 3 eyepieces, K20, K12, and H6, a 3x Barlow, a 5x24 finder, a moon filter, and a dedicated backpack. The enlarged 400mm focal length offers slightly higher magnification potential and better image brightness than the most compact 70mm options, while still keeping the system portable and beginner-friendly. Performance-wise, FMC coatings on the glass lenses deliver higher transmission and reduced glare with a finder that aids star hopping for quick target acquisition. The longer 400mm tube provides improved lunar detail and more comfortable planetary views when paired with appropriate eyepieces and the Barlow.
The backpack and included moon filter contribute to daytime usability and extended observing sessions, though the overall footprint remains compact. Weight around 3.5 pounds keeps it highly portable, but stability at higher elevations still depends on tripod rigidity.
List number 5. Telescope 80mm aperture 600mm astronomical portable refracting telescope. Hexium's 80mm 600mm model mirrors the AZ860 model with similar accessories and layout to the other Hexium kit, including 2 eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, a 3x Barlow, 5x24 finder, smartphone adapter, wireless remote, and a carrying bag. It emphasizes a balance of larger aperture and portability, delivering brighter views and more flexible magnification than smaller 70mm options. Performance-wise, the 80mm aperture improves light gathering and contrast, with a 600mm focal length enabling higher practical magnifications when used with the Barlow and longer focal length eyepieces. The no-tools setup remains a strong usability point for beginners, while the included accessories support lively star hopping and imaging exploration. The heavier weight, around 6.15 pounds, can impact transport and stability, especially on flimsy tripods, so ensure the tripod is solid and the setup is well balanced for comfortable, longer sessions.